Ash here from HSP Vehicle Accessories. The roll bar cover Series 3.5 and load bars to suit are now available for the Toyota Tundra. Let's take a look. The HSP roll bar cover is the only 100% Australian-made and manufactured roll top in the world. It also has 5 modes of operation. That includes your factory remote, also works with your interior lock and unlock buttons, the HSP phone app, where you can pause, close and open your roll top. It also works with the LED smart touchpad, as well as Siri commands for Apple users. Hey Siri, open my roll top. A major benefit is the 100% curtain retraction on our roll bar cover, and with an extra small canister and a horizon LED light, you have plenty of room inside your tub. Additionally, the load bars to suit hold up to 80 kilos of dynamic weight, perfect for having your swags and all your gear on top of your roll bar cover when you head out and about. For security, the roll bar cover Series 3.5 has no exterior locks. With interlocking slats, it ensures there is cut-proof, knife-proof, and no one can get inside. One last thing I want to touch on is water management, really important for all ute owners. With 4 drainage points on the roll top, internal gutters, as well as rear grates, it drains at 60 litres per minute, ensuring you're ready for all seasons all year round. So that's the roll bar cover Series 3.5 for the Toyota Tundra out now. Give us a call at 1300 441 498. Head to our website to inquire now and learn more.